Wait, angels slept with human woman? Genesis 6 says, the sons of God saw the daughters of men and took them as wives. Then suddenly, boom, Nephilim were born. Giants, hybrid beings. Now, who were the sons of God? Some say they were fallen angels. Others say they were just humans, descendants of Seth. But here's the twist. If they were just regular men, why did giants show up? And if they were angels, how did spirit beings have kids with humans? That's the question. So who were they really? Angels, humans, or tyrants? Genesis didn't give us answers. But whatever it was, it triggered the flood. God looked down and said, "That's it. I am wiping it all." God hit the reset button. Shock.